Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well, happy whatever day it is I upload this, but got the Slingshot back out and I'm going to show you what I've got for ammo this time, and then we're going to do some slinging and hopefully I won't suck too hard. Okay, so I got the Slingshot right here. I still haven't put the bands on the other one yet because I'm a lazy SOB. Got my other camera just in case. What's in here? I don't need any of this, so put that away. Now I got a big ass Amazon box. I think my hammocks came in this, but got a couple of orange juice containers, so these are free. And for my ammo is I've got marbles from the dollar store, and they were $1.25 a piece, so I ended up getting 3 bags. And then I've got the, well actually I only meant to grab one, but I got a trash bag liner. Try to use as a backing. And then I've got this bag that I've had for a while. And it's, I got this from a SHOT Show. I thought I'd throw the marbles in here and just wear the SHOT bag. I'm just gonna go with one for now. I'll open the other 2 if I need them, but I'm not gonna open them all up because, you know, they might, if it falls over. All right, let's, I'm actually gonna try shooting at the box as well. But let's get the box and the bag set up and we'll start slinging. All right, so I'm kicking around some ideas for some kind of a backing. I'm thinking what I'd like to have is a full sheet of plywood just standing here so I could shoot it up against, but I think the hits would sound too loud. So I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna try to get a nice big piece of cardboard and make a big backing. Cause I don't want to. I feel bad about the idea of sending marbles sailing into the woods. Because it would be littering, and everyone knows how I feel about littering, but there we go. We'll try shooting at the cardboard box. See if I hit at all. Okay. Got my little shot bag. All right, so I was watching a video from my buddy. Through failure we succeed. Shout out for you, brother. I'll link his channel below if you want to go give him a look. But he did a video going over some suggestions. One is using the end here as a target. So when you pull back, you're looking down your slingshot run, and then also having a counterpoint. So I always try to go to my cheek at the same spot on my cheek every time to release. We'll see if that does any good. I got my ammo. I'm gonna turn so you can check my form. And yeah, hopefully these little marbles will be better than the rocks. Plus I have more of them, and they're also going to be symmetrical, so they're not going to be all messed up. So let's get the camera turned. And all right, so I'm going to shoot from here so you guys can see my form first. Did I hold the slingshot in my right hand last time or left? I don't even remember now. Actually, I had this leather bag for a long time. So, alright, so I'm going to try to I hit the plastic, didn't hit the box though, but I want to try to have a comfortable grip when that one shot off to the right. And it actually went under the log. Okay. Tree root. Hit the cardboard. That's what, 3 shots? Why, camera, why are you out of focus? Damn it, forgot to bring bug spray and the bugs are all over me. Well, they're being harassment. They're harassing me. Oh, literally just soared just over the box. Like, I think it missed it by an inch. Which means I sent one out in the woods. Damn it. Just try aiming lower. That one was a terrible miss. It went like 2 feet off to the right. What the hell? And this part where you put the ammo, it's like it needs to be broken in because it's like all over the place. Hit the box. It's kind of loud too, probably because it's hollow. Slipped out of my hand. All right. Missed. Trying to hit right here as an anchor point, but sailed over about a foot over the log again and about a foot over to the right. I wanted to sail these out in the woods. If they're metal, at least I could have. If they're metal, I could find them with a metal detector, but I don't have a metal detector either. I hit the cardboard. Alright, I'll try doing a couple shots closer. Well, I'll put the camera closer, but I'll go back to where I was standing and do a few shots. As you can see, I got a few good hits. I'm going to the right too much, and too many of them just soared right over the top. I got one back. I'm gonna have to try to find some kind of a backing this week. So, gonna need more practice. At least I'm hitting a few though, so I'm not totally missing. Alrighty, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack up earlier than planned because the shots I sent over the log are basically just litter. I did find one. I didn't see any others because they're lost in the leaves. And I feel bad about wasting shots out there. Until I get better, I won't need the backing, but for now I want to get a backing for future shots. What the heck is that? Either a bird or somebody. There you go. And I can use the cardboard box for next time. So, I keep hearing that loud ass whistle over there, and I don't know what that is. I didn't see anybody over there unless they closed the gate behind them and they're over there doing something, but I don't think it's a bird. That's weird. Of course, I'm not going to do it while the camera's on because, wow, I should have brought bug spray. I mean, honestly, can't we coexist without them getting into this zone? Oh, there's a car over there, so that might have been the gate squealing while they were opening and closing it. Okay, how about that's what it was? So, okay, anyway, yeah, if you got any tips or suggestions, I would love to hear it. I'm definitely gonna work on trying to find some cardboard probably this week to do as a backing, and then I will come back out, set it up, see where we're shooting at, try to make corrections from there. So, as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.